How to add a serial number in Adobe Acrobat. Let's do it step by step. First, open your browser and go to acrobat.adobe.com. Click on All Tools, then select Add Comments. Upload your PDF where you want to add the serial number. Once the document opens, look at the left toolbar. Find and click the Text Comment tool. It looks like a text box icon. Click anywhere on the page where you want to place the serial number. Start typing the number like 1, 2, 3 and so on. You can adjust the font, size and color by selecting the text and using the mini toolbar that appears. After adding the number, you can copy-paste it for subsequent pages or locations if needed. Save your changes by clicking the Save button in the top right corner if you are using the app. If you want to automatically number pages or apply a consistent serial number to a large document, you will need Adobe Acrobat Pro to use more advanced features. And that's how you manually add a serial number in your PDF. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.